I shaved, guys. All right, so what we're doing today is we are taking the VCA and we are doing the last of the soldering and we're going to be testing it. So why don't I just take this off here. Fuck, am I really getting a call right now? Oh no. Okay, thank God. I'd be so upset. All right. So we're going to take this, pop this bad boy off. Oop, pop back on. Okay. Okay, turn the soldering iron on. Get some solder. Now here I got some new wire. Okay, and then the way that we're going to test this is an amplifier. And so the way we're going to test this is we're going to take our oscillator, we're going to record what its peak-to-peak voltage is. Then we are going to use a voltage divider, just a... God, this cable sucks. I hate this fucking cable. One day I'm going to have such a sick streaming setup for making stuff, it's going to be crazy. The ultimate streaming setup. Okay, so we're ready. Alrighty. Okay, so you can see here I actually missed a joint. A couple of joints. By the way, this is a totally custom PCB. I etched this, I traced and routed this. The design is the only thing that's not mine. And that's only because I'm just trying to learn electronics. But soon I will be designing my own boards. Alright, so now we have our soldering iron. See, is it melting? It is melting. You can see the smoke. I'm going to turn on the fan. So we have some exhaust. Bring this down a little. Okay. It's funny because if you go back to the earlier streams of this series, you could see that this was a pristine piece of cardboard, and as I've used more and more ferric chloride, this thing has just gotten nastier and nastier. Okay, so that's done. So now I actually have a bunch of wires pre-ready. So what we're going to do, and I bought some new ones of these, and hopefully these won't require flux, but I'm almost positive they will. You can see here, God, I hate this camera. We're going to see. Luckily this one only has 2 tabs, which is, oh, actually the other one had only 2 tabs. Okay, so this is the ground. And this is the, okay, so the square one is signal. Okay, I'll just remember that. And then one thing that we should test is how long is, so you have a jack socket, we put it through here. Does it fit is the first question, and the answer is no, because there's some crap in the way. Let me get something for that. A screw will do. So I'm just going to get all these little bits of fucking plastic out of the way. Alright, it should fit now. So I'm going to pop that in there. And it seems like it's the same height as the other brand. Standard height, I guess. Okay, and then with a wrench that should be nice and tight. Okay, so we're going to be mounting these 1/4 inch jack sockets. And the reason why I've been using 1/4 inch instead of 1/8 inch is that 1/8 inch, I couldn't find the mounting screw, like, it's just not long enough. Fuck. Do I have needle nose? Where are my needle nose? Here are some needle nose. Okay, so that seemed good. So I'm going to go get some wires that I've already cut, and we can just start trying to solder to this. And if we can't solder to this, and I'm getting a bunch of cold joints, which is typical for this. I don't like that at all. Okay, gotta get my mic all set. I realize the audio quality is very important. You really want to be right up in it. Okay, so hold on. Okay. So the potentiometers, those are already good. The problem was with, okay, yeah. All right. So we need to do 6 of these. So now that this is done, we can do this later. What we need to do is grab one of these guys, get a black wire, and connect it to ground. Like so. Okay. Then we need a white wire for signal, and we're going to connect it here. Okay, then we can grab this. We can just see. It's kind of hard to see that. Alright, let's see how good it is to solder to. As expected, total shit. Okay, so we're gonna have to bring in the big guns, which is this crap that I really don't like. I even like to wear a mask when I use it because it's just such horseshit. Let's see how bad of a solder joint that really is. Actually, actually, it's kind of on there. Okay, I don't think that that's going to be a problem. For the other brand that I got, I mean, it was just impossible. But I feel like these joints are actually quite nice. Okay, so we have all the whites. 2, 4, 5. Okay, so that means that we just need to cut the black wires. And then we need to cut one for power. And the problem is the amp, I guess, I need to think about some stuff. Because the problem is, the way I do power is just all messed up. So let's just cut these. Oh, where that thing, bro? Where that thing? It doesn't matter. Smoke in the air. Okay, I really don't have a lot of time today on this. Okay, I think that should be it. Then we just need to strip them. We'll do that off camera just because I have the trash can right here. Okay, we are all good. Okay, so that means we're just gonna go for it. We actually need 6 of them for this. It's kind of a lot. I would say these are higher quality than, I mean, I haven't tested the tip, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to be nice. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. Yeah, it's not great. I could see this being a problem. It's probably fine. Fuck. The tabs are fucking flimsy. I actually really don't like this part of the fabrication process. Like, you got all these wires, it makes it so hard to carry around the PCB. I mean, it's never meant to be removed, but I just, for testing and everything, it's just a mess. Okay. What, 3 down? 2 down, 3 to go, so I need to put 1 away. Alright, so let me just do this all at once so that I can speed this up. That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Smoke in the air. I think I saw an open issue on the OBS development board or whatever about multi-client transfer. I feel like that'd be awesome. I don't like the idea of using Restream. I don't know why, but I don't. Okay. We can cut the legs off of... Oh, and we need to do vias. I forgot about the via thing. There's 1, 2... I think there might only be 2 vias. We'll have to open up the schematic. Okay. 1 via. 2 via. Dude, that one's going to be kind of a pain to get to. I need more light. Okay. Getting there, we're getting there. I have to leave at 6:30 and I have to eat dinner. A little more. That's good. A tight squeeze. Fuck. Fuck. Totally botched it. There we go. I think that there are only 2 vias. That is annoyingly close. Okay. Now, I literally, every time I forget. So, it goes this way. Wait, what is that? What is that? Oh, that's a mounting hole? Okay, we're good. I always forget. I think that signal is first. So let me open up KiCad and open VCA. Let's look at the PCB. Okay, ground is always pin 2. Oh shoot, we didn't even do these? I thought I did these. Yeah, vias too. Nice. Okay, we did it. Okay. Smoke in the air. There we go. Nice. Okay, I'm just gonna do them all at once. Maybe it does make sense to try to get them. Oh, well, here we actually have to. Okay. I think maybe that's nice. What we say, all cones, no brakes. That must be a solid connection. There's just no way that it's not. Get in there. There we go. Ah. Let's get a third guy in here. Okay. This magnetic third hand is so much better than those shitty clamps that I've seen other people use. We have one of those stupid clamps and it stinks. It stinks donkey brains. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Come here. No way this comes to bite me in the ass. Shortening it by that much. Okay. Ah, yes. A relaxing stream. Okay. Potentiometer. We are almost there. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. Okay. Now we need to do power. Oh, so I guess I am missing a wire. We need to do power, but we also need to do both of the potentiometers go to ground and 12 volts? Is that what they do? Or am I just dumb? No, yeah, see, that's not what they do at all. So one of them goes to here. This is going to be a pain. Oh, fuck. I knew I was going to do some retarded shit like that. Okay. Smoke in the air. Binge drinking. Okay, wait, let's put the longest one in first. How about that? Okay, that seems fine. Hopefully this one's not so bad. Okay, and then this one, pin 1 is... Yeah, okay, pin 1 is red. That's just what we do, I guess. Okay. Now here's where we make some fucking cones, bro. Here's where we make some cones, dog. Ooh, this one's fucked. You can't do that. We gotta redo this one. Okay, we gotta redo one of them. I knew I should have checked. Whoa. Okay, so this guy is totally fucked. I wonder if I can just... No, that's not gonna work. How am I gonna do this? Okay, so I got it out. Now we need to straighten it. We need to strip some more. Get in there. Fucker, get in there. Bitch. Okay, come on. Oh, son of a bitch, I did the wrong one. Yep, that's about right. I always flip it and then I do something dumb like that. Okay. Let's see if we can get around this. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now it's this one that we need to fix. I definitely did this more carefully last time, and it paid off. Smoke in the air. Mm-hmm. I could literally just do a hack and go from the other side. I might need to do this one all over again because it's just so bent that you can't really do anything with it. Okay, let's try this. Gotta be delicate because if you bend it, it's impossible. Okay, so that's a no. Okay, then let's go from this side. Okay, well, we're doing it. I think that will reach the front. Let's see. These are on there like that. This is a CV. Yeah, it'll be fine. Oh, shoot. That's not going to be fine at all. The reason why it's not going to be fine is because it's clearly going to short. If you see this, this is the wire that we've looped around. If you bend it, this is totally going to short. If you press it hard enough, you'll definitely get that thing to short. So I need to redo that. Okay, alright. Yo, what's up? Someone's watching. Yo, what's going on, dude? The project's going on pretty good. I actually have to leave to go back to where I really live on Monday. So I'm trying to rush to the finish line, kind of. Anyways, this is an amplifier. Let me show you this cool thing, though. I want to show you this. I've been learning this thing. Alright, but here, we're going to make a massive hack. So the problem is, I fucked up the soldering on one side of this cable. So what I'm going to do is I soldered it in from the back, but then I realized that this wire is going to connect to this wire if it's pressed down. So we definitely can't do that. So what I'm going to do is just put some tape right over it. And that solves the problem. And that's all we need to do, baby. some tape, and we are Gucci. Okay, so that's the last soldering thing I need to do. And then we're ready to test this. Oh, yeah, and then the power, and then we're ready to test this. But yeah, so I made an envelope generator. The envelope generator worked. Let me show you this, though. This is what I built today. So I CAD'd it out. I used Autodesk Fusion 360, and I made one of the panels as a 3D model. And it looks sick. It looks so cool. And so now I just need to build the box in the 3D model, and then I'm basically good. The last module that I really wanted to build, I probably won't have time to build, which is the filter. I have a filter on a breadboard, but I don't have a filter on PCB or anything. Okay, I should be good. Let's add a little extra. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Did a bunch of paneling the other day, so now I'm pretty good at paneling. I realized the trick is that when you're drilling acrylic, since it's so easy to crack, the way that you do it is you put the drill to the highest speed possible, and then you just barely press down. It sort of wiggles around in there until it's done. Okay, now let's just get this on lock. Okay. Dude, but hey, let me tell you this, bro. I think my next idea, it's sick. Okay, so you know what paintball gun is, right? So my idea is I'm gonna take a paintball gun and I'm going to attach it to like a 2-axis rotational system. What's missing now? Yeah, so actually, I mean, close. You can keep building this forever, but there's one specific sound that happens to be really easy to make in Ableton in like a software tool, but is just, requires so much electronics to be able to do if you're not going to emulate it. But yeah, I think I'll be able to I'll do a stream where I can actually use it. But let me tell you this. Oh wait, hold on. We need to get this right. One sec. Okay. So pin 1 is ground. Okay. Pin 2 is 12 volts. And pin 3 is minus 12 volts. Okay, all right. Let me solder this, and I'll tell you this idea, dude. So I want to get a paintball gun and put it on 2 axes of rotation, then build a canvas. Then you can like draw a picture, and the gun will automatically fire to draw the picture. I really want to do that. I feel like that'd be so fun and such a big challenge. I feel like I'd learn a lot. Okay, so we're putting the power on the back. This is a new thing. I've never done this before. But I think that it'll make it easy. I think it'll be okay. I think it'll make it a little easier to connect the power cable. Pop back to the chat. Dude, yeah, doesn't that sound sick? Dude, yeah, man. Because there's this guy on YouTube named Stuff Made Here, and he made one with like a gantry, which is like so expensive. I think I could do it for way cheaper. And I don't think it's obviously way harder than I think it is, but like It can't be that hard, right? It can't be that hard. All right, so we're ready to test this bad boy after we mount it. So this is an amplifier. So this makes signals bigger or smaller. So now we just need to screw a bunch of stuff in. So first we'll do this. Yeah, dude. Okay, so that's a great question. So imagine a 1920 by 1080 picture. That's like, I think that's like 2 million. I think it's around 2 million. Okay, so already there you need, if you wanted 1 pixel, whatever per, assuming that you need to put a paintball on every pixel, you need to do about 2 million paintballs. And paintballs are like $50 for 2,000. If you do the math, that's like $50,000. Now imagine you need three colors, right? RGB or something, then or CMYK for like you because of black. Then you're spending $200,000 on paintballs. And now imagine this. The diameter of the paintball splatter is about 2 inches or 3 inches. And if you calculate out how big of a canvas you would need to make a 1920 by 1080 picture, assuming that each pixel is 2 inches, you would need like 150 foot by 60 foot canvas. Like this thing would be huge. You'd be so big. So yeah, so that part's not happening. But I think here's what the realistic thing that I do is I think if you restrict yourself to only writing like words and you basically just use only black paintballs, then you could probably write words. And the canvas would be like, and I've made canvases before because I like to paint. And so I think you could do it, but I didn't really do the math to like verify that with a 2-inch splatter. Because the thing is, I think you might be able to like play around with the splatter and like depending on the velocity and pressure that you shoot the gun at, then maybe you'll get a smaller splatter. Because for resolution, the problem is getting it consistent too. But dude, I really want to build that project because I feel like that could go viral. And it would also just be so fun to make. Okay. So now we're just mounting everything so that we can test. Yeah, it could be hard, but yeah, exactly. But also, like, I don't think it should be. I think the most challenging part of it will be basically getting the system calibrated. Like, you have the gun, and that's sitting in a position, and then you have the canvas, and its bounding corners are sitting in some position. Now, just using a camera, it's pretty hard to, or even without a camera, but either way, it's pretty hard to figure out where to aim so that it'll hit where you want. But like, there are sensors that will give you distance sensors, like that will tell you how far something is away. So I figure if you can, or even go even more and get a LiDAR sensor and then like do some, then you have a 3D model of whatever scene you're looking at. And if you have a 3D model, then I think it would be a lot easier to find the bounding box of the thing, and I think it would tell you how far away you are from it. Dude, I'm going to this thing in like an hour where we're gonna edit the genome of some human cells. It's a free class, and they're just like, yeah, come by. We're gonna take a gene out of a human cell, and it's totally free. I want to live stream it, but it's like a big class, so I can't really live stream it. I don't know how many people are gonna show up though. And it's crazy because the like, I mean, there's like an adult there, but the lab is basically run by these two high school students. It's like, damn, I wish I was doing that in high school. Not fucking making music. Is there a ridge on here? What's going on with this? Where's my screw? Let's crap out of here. There it is. But dude, I'm really excited to get into biology projects. There's so many biology projects that I think would be really fun. Okay, so the setup here with an amplifier is basically, well, first we're going to check that the volume knob works. And if the volume knob works, then we'll be pretty good. Okay. Dude, yeah, that is the craziest thing. The Maker Portfolio MIT things is like this. Dude, I binge those, man. Those are so inspiring. Dude, those videos are crazy. Some of those kids have made shit that's like, no, yeah, they just build and then they just say what they built, and that's their thing. Hold on, I gotta get one thing real quick. Yeah, dude, those projects are so freaking cool. God, they make me jealous. They make me feel like so inadequate, but also like inspired. Some of those kids, like, which ones are crazy? There's this guy that basically did what I did, but way better. He didn't build a synth, but he built like a reflow oven. And so he was able to make his own custom PCBs, and they were like really high quality and stuff. And like, dude, it just made me like, damn, these kids really be out here. Oh, we want to get that down there. Rockstar for a reason. Okay, so now the module is done. Now let's see, it's 6 o'clock. How are we gonna do this? Hold on. But dude, I want to tell you about this other project. This project is probably going to take me like 5 years to do because you need so much equipment and you need like a clean room and stuff. But I want to take my blood cells and turn them into my skin cells or like neurons. Basically, they're these. What are they? They're I think they're proteins or something, but they basically revert a cell back into being a stem cell. Like you can take a cell and what's called induced pluripotency, and you can kick it back in time. And the thing is, like those cells that you do that to usually die faster. But it would just be so cool to be able to turn something. I turned my skin into my blood. Like it would just be so cool. All right, so let's just test this because we really don't have that much time. Okay, here we go. All right, so we have this, which is maybe the lighting. The lighting's kind of shitty. Okay, maybe that's a little better. I don't know. So this breadboard is nothing but a potentiometer. So this will be our CV. Then we need an input signal too. So we'll use this potentiometer for another input signal. Okay, so we'll have two inputs. Rock style for a reason. Now I should really check what okay, so this one, let's get this all wired up so that I don't fry my boards. Okay, so we got ground. Okay, black is ground. Black to black. Then we have white is plus 12 volts. And gray is minus 12 volts. Let's try to get this all in here. Okay, and now we need a way to send this. Oh, I need a cable. And I need the oscilloscope. Shit, I don't think I can. I don't think I'm gonna have time to do this because I gotta eat dinner. Yeah, because I'm gonna have to go in like 30 minutes and I need to clean up. All right, so unfortunately, this is like a 1 hour stream where I just don't do anything. But dude, it was really good to talk to you again. Yeah, I was wondering. I was like, "Where's Dom, bro?" All right, peace, bro. I gotta go. I probably won't have time to do this. Should I do it? Fuck it. Okay, I need to plug in my oscilloscope. And then the only reason I'm hesitating. Alright. Come on. I don't want to be late to this thing. Yeah, no worries, dude. No worries. I'm just glad you're here. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So we need to plug the power supply in. And then we also need to plug in. So this goes black to black. So how are we going to do this? How would I put it here, I guess? The powering of this thing is the worst part of it. Black, red to white. Because the thing is, these always fall out, too. It's crazy. Oh, they always fall out. Okay, so we need to take this. We need to cut them down and strip them again. Okay, now it's a little bit straighter and hopefully they won't just fly out of here. So, where were we? Okay, black to black, red to white. Oh, it's still doing it. I thought these were the same length. Them being off by just a tiny bit causes so many problems. I think what I should have done is I should have cannibalized one of these real connectors that's all like nicely done. So get in there, bruh. And then just use that because then I wouldn't have this problem. Okay, I think it's in. So that's connected. Now, what we need to do is we need one more of these jack sockets. I probably have another one of them. Shit, I turned off the, I think this thing has a frequency generator, but, okay, hold on. Wait, do I have it here? Shit, I don't have it. Okay. Okay, so we have... Alright, so I think that this... I don't know if this is going to break anything. So... Okay, but we're going to do... Alright, we're going to do this. And then... Okay, we're going to plug it in. Oh, jeez. Okay, wait. Hold on. I got to get this all sorted out. So then we need the oscilloscope to be connected to... The oscilloscope connected to the output 1. Okay. Damn, it's 6:04. All right. So now we have the output, and we have a volume knob. So I'm going to turn the volume knob all the way down, and then I'm going to turn this so that it's at 0 volts. So this one's in the middle. Okay, now we're going to open up waveforms. Open up the scope. Then we're going to turn off channel 2. I'm going to turn on run. Let me make sure that we have this open. Okay, so now the scope is going. Okay, I don't know what we're seeing, but let's fucking send it. Let's send it and hope for the best. Okay. Okay. Oh, fuck, what happened? Oh, we at minus 10 volts. What's going on? Shoot. Wait. Wait, it went up to 10 volts. Why did it do that? Hmm. Okay, this signal. Alright, can we just test this signal then? Okay, so. Alright, so we want to just see. Okay, cool. Wait, why doesn't that go? Oh, there we go. Okay. Shoot, so we actually have a bug, I guess? Damn, I was really hoping it worked. I had the envelope generator working on the first try, dude. It was crazy, bro. It's crazy. Alright, so I don't think we're that lucky. I don't know, it seemed like it was hitting a rail. I'm not sure what was going on. But yeah, so the voltage divider is working. I don't know why it lags there. I guess it's the trigger. Yeah, it's the trigger that takes a little lag there. But if we... I wonder if what happens if I can't really clip onto the, yeah, I can't really get onto those guys. Okay, well, that's a little disheartening. At least I know now. Alright, we already did it. Okay. Alright, so that means that we have to go in and figure out what's wrong. Damn. Yep. Alright. See ya, man. I gotta run.